Hey there, this is Erica from Highland Hickory Designs, and I'm back today again with another lovely stitch tutorial. This one is really easy, even beginner friendly, I would say. And you can make anything you want with this. Scarves, blankets, lacy baby blankets, table runners, bedspreads, anything you'd like to make with this. It's super pretty. This is the front. This is the back. And this is the pattern turned on its side for if you did like a square wrap, or I mean a rectangle wrap that went across your back. And if you're interested in the written instructions, they'll be in the description box below, along with any timestamps and instructions on how to speed up or slow down my videos if I go too fast or too slow for you. This is a 2-row repeat with very easy stitches. And to make anything you want, you just need a multiple of 6 plus 4. So for today's tutorial, we're using I Love This yarn in Rosy Cheeks. It's a size 4 medium weight yarn. And an F 3.75 millimeter crochet hook. And I believe that's everything I wanted to say, so let's get started with the tutorial. So like I said previously, you need to have a multiple of 6 chains plus 4. So for this demonstration, we're going to go with a multiple of 6 for 18 plus 4 for 22. Okay, 22 chains. For row 1, you're going to work into the 7th chain from the hook. And in the 7th chain from the hook, you'll work 2 double crochets, chain 3, 2 double crochets, all in the same chain. Chain 3, 2 more double crochets in the same chain. Skip 2 chains and then double crochet in the next chain. And we'll repeat that across. Skip 2 chains, 2 double crochets, chain 3, 2 double crochets in the same chain. Skip 2 chains, 1 double crochet. Skip 2 chains, 2 double crochets, chain 3, 2 double crochets, all in the same chain. Skip 2 chains, and in the last chain, double crochet. That is it for row 1. Row 2, you're going to chain 5, turn your work, skip this stitch and single crochet in the chain 3 space, chain 2, skip these 2 stitches, and this 1 double crochet from the previous row, you're going to double crochet 2 together. So to double crochet 2 together, you'll yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull back through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, draw through 2 loops, and we'll do that one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull back through. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, draw through 2. That will leave you with 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 3. So it's 2 double crochets, and you crochet them together into 1 stitch. So for the remainder of the row, you chain 2, skip these stitches, single crochet in the chain 3 space, chain 2, skip these stitches, double crochet 2 together in the next stitch, chain 2, skip these stitches, single crochet in the chain 3 space, chain 2, and for your last stitch you're just going to double crochet in the top of this turning chain right here. That's row 2. For row 3, chain 3, counts as a double crochet, turn your work. So this will be a repeat of row 1, just without having to work into chains. We're going to work our stitches into the single crochet from the previous row. So we'll skip the chain 2 space and work our 2 double crochets, chain 3, 2 double crochets in the single crochet from the previous row. Then we'll skip this chain 2 space, and in the top of the double crochet 2 together, you'll just work a double crochet. We repeat that the entire way across. Skip the chain 2 space, in the next stitch, 2 double crochets, chain 3, 2 double crochets. Skip the chain 2 space, double crochet in the next stitch. Skip the chain 2 space, 2 double crochets, chain 3, 2 double crochets. And for the last stitch, this was a chain 5. So in the 3rd chain, double crochet. And that is it for the entire pattern. All you have to do is repeat row 2 and row 3 till you reach your desired length. And when you're finished, you'll have this really pretty design. It's so easy to do and it works up quickly. You'll memorize these stitches in no time. Super pretty. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you'd like to comment down below what you think you would make with this stitch pattern, maybe that would help others in deciding what they would like to make. Again, I really appreciate you being here, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.